Thank you for your purchase of Vega Deluxe Tricycle. This comfortable tricycle comes with must-have safety and other unique features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You will also need a regular-shaped screwdriver and a star-shaped screwdriver. First, attach the mudguard to the steering rod. And then connect the steering assembly to the main body frame by using the provided heavy screw and cavity. Next, connect the rear wheels to the back bottom of the main body by using 3 visors on each side and a quarter pin. Then cover it with the provided cap on both sides. Then attach the front wheel assembly by using the provided nuts and bolt. Now attach the seat to the back end of the main body by using 2 long screws and nuts. Continue the steps by connecting the backrest behind the seat assembly. Let's connect the footrest to the bottom of the seat by using provided nuts and bolts. For sunshade umbrella, insert the umbrella pipes inside the available cavity behind the backrest and slide the sunshade umbrella on top of the pipes. Next, assemble the parental handle and insert it to the back of the main body and fix the height as per your comfort. Now insert the front end of the movement rod inside the steering head from the bottom and the other end to the back end of the main body from the top. It will help the parent control the movement of the tricycle by turning it left and right. Then connect the safety frame by using the nut and bolt on both sides. Let's insert the provided 2 AA batteries to the back of the steering head and attach it to the steering assembly by using the flower nut to enjoy colorful LED lights and music. And for the finishing touch, place the rear basket at the back of the tricycle and fix it by using the bolt and the rocker rod to the bottom of the tricycle. The Vega Deluxe Tricycle is now ready for use. Dash toy, dash ride, kids' pride.